Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Big Matt, and today we're going to be working on a TEAC X10R that has a very common problem. The pinch rollers are really kind of stuck, so they don't engage when you press play. And usually it's the grease that gets hardened over time when these units sit idle for an extended period of time. So we're going to disassemble the transport section and clean it up a little bit and then read a little bit, and we should be able to get it working again. Okay, now that we have the transport rebuilt, the pinch rollers move up and down freely. When we press play, they engage with the capstan as they should. This is a very straightforward repair for a very common problem on these TEAC X series machines. Certainly a do-it-yourself project for any of you guys out there. If you have any issues as you're doing it, just hit me up with a note below, and I'll gladly get back with you. But again, very common problem on these TEAC X10Rs, but you're certainly qualified to do this repair yourself.